Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. Today I will show you how to add trend line based on series in Microsoft Excel. First of all, select multiple cells, hold Control, then go to Insert tab, recommended chart, all chart, select a line chart, then OK. Click plus icon, trend line, and series on series 2. I series the cells. OK. Select automatic. Okay. Thanks for watching video.